Hi, this is Kautil Roshan and we will be talking today about Hootsuite. What is Hootsuite? Hootsuite is a tool that we use to schedule our messages in the social media. So again, you can go in the Google guys and you can go and you can type Hootsuite and you can do the sign up. Like you can go and you can type Hootsuite. It offers free plan also, paid plans also. So we will be talking today about, like, you can just simply go and you can sign in using your email ID. So today we will be talking about what are the features available in the Hootsuite, what are the options that we can use to our maximum benefit. So do watch video till the end to get all the insight, all the important knowledge about Hootsuite, so that it can be easily you can schedule your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever account that you have, Pinterest, YouTube, and you can connect to that. So do watch video till the end, and those who are new to my channel, they can subscribe the channel to get frequent update about the digital marketing, as this channel is dedicated to the digital marketing, and you can always go to the playlist and you can see whatever you want to related to marketing, like digital marketing tool, social media advertisement, Google ads. So I have made the playlist, so do not forget to see that, and do not forget to share with other people who need digital marketing knowledge, so that that can help them in their businesses or their jobs or in the freelancing as well. So now let's start the topic. So today we will be discussing about Hootsuite, as I said. So let's explore. So after sign up, you can simply go in Google and you can type Hootsuite and you can do the sign up. Then afterwards, particularly the first thing is, when you will do the sign up, you will end up here. So you will click on get started. So here I can go and I can add as many as social network as I want, basically. So depend upon my plan, it will depend, guys. So if I go here, like particularly my plan, so if you see my plan particularly is now allowing me, the current plan is 1 user 10 social media account. So I can schedule the messages for 10 schedule account and unlimited post. So it's not any post limitation that they have, so that is a very good thing to have. So schedule multiple posts at a time, so multiple posts in one time also I can do. Now if I want to upgrade that, I can go and I can do the upgradation. But let's now go to the dashboard and see other things. So this is the plan that is available for them. So now again, first thing after that plan, I can go to here create, and I can create the post, Instagram and all. So before that, I can go and I can add as many as stream as I want. So I can go here. So this is the stream. I can get started. Now in this stream, if I go, I can add the social media that I want. So suppose I want to add my social network. So suppose they have, like you can say, the 6. So suppose I want to add my LinkedIn page, or I want to add my Instagram or my YouTube. So I can go and I can do that. Similarly Twitter also. So I can click on Twitter. So once I clicked on this, particularly I will go and I will give the password, remember, and then sign in. So after that, it is saved. Take ownership. So if you are using from different accounts, so they will ask for ownership. So again, I have added here Twitter. So similarly like that, if I want to add anything else, guys, I can go and I can use that, like suppose Instagram or Pinterest. So suppose I want Pinterest, so I can go here and I can authorize the app. I can give the access. So again, Pinterest is also added, basically. Now again, similarly, if I want, I can add the Facebook page, I can add the other pages also. Similar way, just I will click add social media and I will click on that, and then Instagram business. So I can go and I can log into Facebook, and then I can do that particularly. So again, it is very easy process. So for example, I will log into Facebook here. So once I log into Facebook here, I will enter the password. So here I enter the password and I will click on continue. So again, continue as Kautilya. So I will continue, and then afterwards continue. So once I give the continue here, then I can connect. So here you can see this all account is there. So I can go and I can take whatever account that I want, basically. So depending upon whatever account that I want, I can go and I can connect to that. So I will just click on add, it will get connected, guys. So I will not connect now, I'm just for showing you I was doing. Similarly, I can click on YouTube, guys, and once I click on YouTube, I can choose whatever the account that I want to connect. So suppose like this account, so I can go and I can click here whatever YouTube account that so I can allow basically. So once I click on allow, my YouTube is again added. Now just like this, we can add more up to 10, as I showed you in the starting what my plan has and all that. So it has 10 social media account. Then I can go to the next option, guys, and then next, and then I can add that to the dashboard, my LinkedIn page. This is now again here you can see all the options I have here. Now after that, I have added the account. So always remember account, how you will be added. You will go to stream and then you will click on add account. So here on the right hand side it comes add stream. So you can go and you can add here by clicking on plus basically. So app, you can connect with more app and you can see that. Now after that, adding the stream, you can see lot of things are very clear. So after that, I can go and I can create. So for example, I want to create the post. So again, if I want to create the post here, I can go and I can select the social media account that I want to connect post to. So again, you can say this my Twitter, my LinkedIn. So again, this I need to reconnect. So I will go and I will reconnect this account. So sometime you need to reconnect basically. So I will reconnect this account. So that is the page that I have connected to the LinkedIn. So I will reconnect this. Now this is connected. Then afterward, done. So I can go and I can choose here the social media account that I want. So I can go and I can choose, and then after that I can, after doing that, I can give here the link, the text, whatever I want I can do, and I can drag the media file, and then after that I can add the location if I want and schedule for later. So once I click on schedule for later, here I can go and I can choose the date. Suppose I want on Tuesday and I want on time, manually I want time to schedule. So I can go and I can schedule that time accordingly, and when I keep this done, so what will happen, my tweet will automatically tweeted by this Hootsuite on my Twitter account. So similarly we can like you can say schedule other posts also. So I can go and I can do as many as I want, Instagram story and all that. So again it will help, and this create from legacy composer, this is that they have added. So here I can go and I can add basically whatever I want. So I want my account, I can go and I can add simply and I can send. But again I will advise to always use this create post option. So because this is again very good to have. Similarly I can go and I can create the pin and I can schedule for later. Similarly you can see I can choose the time particularly. Then afterwards particularly I can go to here stream. So this is the all the stream that I have added, all the account. So again I can go and I can see here what is happening and all. I can manage, I can retweet, I can like and all that I can do. Similarly I can do with the this like you can say this company account also I can reconnect, and then after that I can do. For example, if I click on reconnect, so let's quickly reconnect it. So there might be it's some like you can say issue, because again I think I might have disconnected this. So again you can see the reason, the password they have changed, needed to reconnect once in a while. So again since LinkedIn might they have changed their policies and all, so I need to reconnect. So later I can go in the stream and I can reconnect my account or my pages, whatever I want basically. And then afterwards I can go to this publisher. So once I clicked on this publisher here, so again like all the things social media account, so I can go and I can add from here LinkedIn, so that it will come. Like I can go here, so I added LinkedIn. So again whatever pages that I want, so here you can see I can go and I can choose. So suppose I want my personal profile, so I can add my personal profile. So here I can go and I can take, so that is done. Then I can go and I can click on done. So once this is done, see again I can go and I can see here all the things related to that particularly. So again here I can go and I can start the scheduling particularly. So here if I go to create post and all, so I can again come to this publisher and I can start scheduling for LinkedIn account also. So this again is the advantage. So again for this week or for the month or for the 15-day, I can schedule all my social media posts. So in the week I can plan and I can schedule. So my week work will be done in one day. Like suppose I sit and I created the images, caption and hashtag, so that can be again done. So this again is a very valuable tool when it comes to save time and manage all the social media network. Then I can go to inbox here. So when I go to inbox, so any messages if I have, so I can get in that particularly. Then we advertise option. So here if I go to this advertise option, so with the basic plan they have not given much options, means like yes I can go and I can still do some of the things but not most of the thing. So this option will work in the premium features where I can go and I can advertise from here for Facebook and Instagram specifically. So that what will happen here, all the settings I can set, and again the ad will be published in the Facebook ad manager. So if you have not seen my video of Facebook ad manager, you can go to my playlist and in social media ads you can see the Facebook ads and Instagram ads video. Then afterwards I can go to analytics. So once I go to analytics here, I can go and I can see, for example, my own content, LinkedIn, whatever I want, I can go and I can add as many as I want. I can see that. So again compact, comfortable, so whatever I want I can go and I can see as per that. Then here dashboard, again like particularly mobile app, if I want I can take, and then I can go to the my profile. So here if I want reconnect and I want to manage accounts and all, so I can go and I can click on manage accounts. So I will be seeing what accounts particularly is connected. So again like particularly you can see on the top here. So we can again particularly manual refresh, or I can set here what I want, like I want on every 5 minutes or 3 minutes. So again I can see. So here you can see the analytics also. I can see particularly like how many likes, how many comments and all that has been there particularly. So again it is a good tool to specially schedule the post for all your social media. If you want to save your time, suppose you are busy, you are working and you are working for many clients or particularly with many companies and all, so you can fix the time like Monday I will work for this company, Tuesday and all, and then you can schedule the post and it will save tons of time for you, and in the rest time you can do a good amount of research. So again I will recommend this tool if you are managing a lot of particularly like you can say clients and you want to manage from one account only. You don't need to manage from multiple accounts. Suppose you need only one account, in that scenario I will recommend this. So do not forget to subscribe my channel guys, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the regular update, and do share this video with other people so that they can get the knowledge about the digital marketing. So thank you guys, see you in the next video.